But first, I want whoever's got their computer to go into the Teams and pull up where I put the vocabulary for imperialism. It should look like this right here. Vocabulary for European imperialism and the scramble for Africa. Now, the word that you have, you're going to work with your table group. Jace, get off that. You're going to work with your table group. You're going to create a Freyer model. This right here, create a Freyer model. You're going to draw this out exactly. You got to have this box in the middle. I can't tell you all day how many people didn't have the box in the middle. It should look exactly like this. Your vocab word that you got off the card is going in this spot. Now, the vocab was picked strategically. You should be able to, more than likely, answer all these questions from that vocabulary, even though we have not covered it. You should be able to use prior knowledge to do that. So your word goes in the box, and then you're going to put the definition, this definition off the board here, is going to go in this box. Then in this box here, it says your own words or create a sentence. You're going to put that in this box based off that definition. Are we tracking? So either you can redefine it in your own words or write a sentence using with that word in it. We good? Yeah. The next one, example. Let's say if this word was basketball, I would put bullet points here like Hornets. What would that mean?
A basketball team.
Charlotte Hornets, a basketball team.
Yeah.
Another example, the Lakers. I could put dribbling. I could put shooting. All those are examples that has to do with basketball. Does that make sense?
Can you put like a player?
Then the last part is a picture. Okay? A picture representing, if it was a basketball, what would you put there? A basketball. Pretty simple, right? Now, your words ain't that simple. Now, as you know, y'all got, some has got 3 people, some's got 4, some's got 2. The whole point of this is that you work all together on it at one time. Now, what that means is all the words ain't going to be in the same direction if these 4 are working on it at one time. So your words might be a little bit crooked. That make sense? Or upside down. Because if Brantley's writing something and Carrie's writing something, they both can't write upside down, so you just have to turn your paper. And then I'll give you directions when we finish. Got it? The time limit for this, 11 minutes. Get started. I give you directions after.
You got it covered. Do you have a Sharpie? Or a pencil that works?
No, one word. Just your word that you got on your card. I'm not worried about the right now. You got all the right numbers. Y'all better start to draw this out. Use those markers. I got to put markers on y'all's table. Jackson, I got markers on y'all's table.
Where markers? We got pencils. I'll do definition and I'll do space sentence, that stuff. If you want to do the other thing. If that's what you want to do, unless you want to switch. Or do something. Alright. I'll work on the top, or you work on the bottom. Alright.
He said he didn't care. He said it was a picture of the slide.
No. You write your word.
I'm going to use the
Y'all let me do it.
It doesn't matter.
Are you letting me?
can see. Yeah, use the markers. Yes, if you choose the word. If you choose the sentence. No, that's fine. Long as you got all of those blocks. Come over here and help us with those.
Am I famous?
Oh, never mind.
So no, this one's your own word. So like America is created by France. Yeah, they are oh no, picture Canada. Yeah, Canada was go over it. Yeah, I can't tell.
You're going to picture based off exploitation. So, who's exploited in the world? Yeah, or stuff that we've been over, right? Who got exploited?
Hey, why'd you do the signs? No, I have to do the signs.
It doesn't matter.
So, first, before we make that decision, right? Look at that definition itself.
I mean,
No, I mean, even though it says a state, it's still gonna be a country. Like, a lot of the world, still, even though it's a country, they still call it a state, right? So it says the authority of the state to govern itself from another state, independent. So what would be another word for that definition right there? Independence, so another word for freedom, right? It's giving you their freedom. So, in an example, which I think would probably be easier, what's some things in your life that you know that got its freedom?
Mr. Hunt.
All right, from where? You gotta know from where, because I'm gonna ask you that question when you get up here.
I don't know how to say it.
No, don't put your feet.
Good job.
wait. Doesn't matter which side it's on, because I've made a mistake.
Huh?
Doesn't matter which side. I made a mistake.
No, it don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. Yeah.
For like an example, you like
Who did we get into freedom from?
the spread of
Who did we get freedom from? There would be a good example. Who did we get our freedom from? No, George Washington helped us get it, but who did we get our freedom from? Who did we in America get our freedom from? Who did we fight? The British, right? So you can write America, just be ready for whatever your examples are. I'm gonna ask you, like, how did they get its freedom?
I can do that. Why did I think
What's wrong, Donna? What's wrong? All right, examples of economy. What is the economy? So when we say economy, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? What's the first thing? Okay, but what does that mean though? Economy, what with the use of what? With money, right? So our economy is what makes the world flow. So what's some examples of things that we have to have in this world for our world to work? That has to deal with money. You gotta have jobs.